Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zanny Jamel. So today I'm doing a summer collab with Eisha Davis, and we wanted to do a nice summer collab where we picked out the same colors and create a look with it. So our colors were yellow, orange, and pink, and I created this look using my Obsessed palette from Peaky Rose Cosmetics. And I have to say, I am so proud of myself with these wings. Yes, I did use a little piece of tape because, you know, I'm still learning how to do my wings, but I am so happy. Like, look, they seem somewhat symmetrical as well. And the eye isn't leaking, you guys. My eye is not leaking. Can you believe that? Like, I'm proud. But anyway, if you want to see how I go ahead and created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm taking a blender brush and I'm going in the shade Stay Golden from my Obsessed palette. And I'm gonna start by applying my shadows from the inner to the outer. And this is a nice, like satin shimmer yellow shade. Bring it all the way in right there. Packing that on and blending it. Next, I'm going to shade 90s Love, which is that bright, nice pink shade. And I'm going to pack that on in the middle of my lid. So I'm starting by packing it on with the packing brush. But I am going to go ahead and... So I went ahead and switched brushes. I'm using an angled blending brush. And I'm going to just pack that on. Alright, so for now I'm going to leave it like that. I'm taking another blending brush and I'm going in the shade No Fear. And that's that nice, kind of like a muted orange. It's not too bright. And I'm going to just focus that on my outer corner like that. The thing I like about this look, it's not too super bright. I mean, it has a lot of bright colors, but it's not like really, you know, in your face like that. Okay, for this yellow up here, I'm taking a flat shader brush and I'm gonna sweep it over into the pink so it's a nice contrast. You can always go back in another coat. I like this yellow because it's nice and satin, so it doesn't like crease and if you put it in the crease. And as you can see, the pink is getting a little lost. I'm going with my finger and pat some more, and then of course we're going to blend it out. So there's a lot of back and forth with this look, but just because I just want it to be where I desire it to be. And I did use concealer as a base. I feel like if you use a white base, the colors will pop a little bit more and not be as muted. Okay, so I feel like that's as good as it's gonna get. I don't want it to be too bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some wing liner. I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be back to show you the finished look. I have to put on mascara, I forgot. I always forget this step, I don't know why. Probably because it's like my least desirable thing to do. Like, I don't care for mascara. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. What do we think? Now, I do have to admit, I was a little bit skeptical halfway through when I'm applying the shadows. I'm just like, I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I do feel like the liner really brought everything in, and it's not as too bright like I want it to. I really like how the yellow pops out, and I went ahead and paired it with the lippie from Colourpop. This is the shade Leather or Leatherette. I think it's Leather. I want to do a nice purple lip, nothing too bright because I didn't want to compete with the eyes. But yeah, this is the finished look and I'm so happy how it came together in the end, because I don't know, I was very doubtful at one point. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out Eisha Davis's YouTube channel. I'll leave a link below in the description bar. Make sure you go over there and show her some love. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.